Looking to add an AI-powered assistant to your HubSpot Service Hub? Let's walk through setting up a customer agent. To do that, you first need to head over right here to your HubSpot dashboard, and you just need to locate the option for the services. So here we have Service, and from in there you can see Customer Agent. It has this arrow up icon which indicates that this feature is actually paid, so you need to upgrade to actually get this right here. Once you click on this right here, you can upgrade your page UI, and here is an example of the actual customer agent. With this, you can select or start a 14-day free trial as well. On my case, I have started a free trial. So on this case, let's try our actual service you have in your customer agent. It may take some time as well for this to actually load. Once it does load, you can see right here this click on the Set Up Your Agent. And after that, you can just input your agent name. So for example, let's name this Geo. And for the personality, we have in here some choices. Let's just write here this friendly option. Click on Next, then add in your files. So you can provide Carol with references as well as public URLs. Once you have inputted right here your options, proceed to click on this Create Agent. So let's try to add right here Source. After that, this will load, and here is our agent. So you can test your agent right here, set up handoffs, and deploy your agent and help your agent take action. Click onto this Test Agent, and then after that, this will open in here the tester for our agent. So for example, add right here a simple Hi. Then after that, Carol should reply according to their options. So if you have questions, just answer right here and Carol will provide you assistance.